I hope you all are doing well. Yeah, we are back with a new topic called Rakhi making. Because of this lockdown, we couldn't go out and we can purchase Rakhi. Okay, you can make your own Rakhi and you can tie it your brother. Okay, they feels happy. So what are the materials required? We need you can do on foam sheets, or you can take color papers. You need double side tape or masking tape, or you can use cello tape. You need glue and you need bindis, scissor and marker to draw an outline. This is very simple. We learn step by step how to make a Rakhi, and you can celebrate your Raksha Bandhan in your home. Stay home and stay safe. Take a foam sheet and draw an outline with a cap, or you can use a compass. But you have to take two circles with different shapes. Cut the outline of a circle, draw a circle. Suppose this is you are taken with 5 centimeters. You can take another circle as 8 centimeters. So we need two big circles, not very big, two different circles. I made two circles with different shape. This is one shape, this is smaller, this is bigger. So first we need this. Take a double side tape and stick here, and you can stick there. So you get a 3D effect. Now I have taken 3 different kinds of bindis. Now I am placing the bigger bindi at the center. And I am using these shorter bindis to the corners. This is very simple and easy, children. You all can do in home. See, step by step. You can make more design, more colorful. I am also taking very small bindis. I have taken 3 different kinds of bindis. So I can decorate my Rakhi. Follow the step by step. This is very easy. You all can do in home. So you all can make and tie Rakhi to your brother, elder one or a younger one. It's a simple method to make a Rakhi. See, I am sticking step by step. You have to take 3 different kinds of bindis. Now, to make more colorful, I am taking different colored bindis. I want to decorate my Rakhi, so that's why I am taking different colored bindis. You can use n number of bindis to decorate your Rakhi. This is a simple method. You all can do very easily. So step by step. I hope you all are watching this video and you will do this Rakhi. This is very simple and it easy. You all can do, and you can tie to your brothers, so they feel happy. This is a simple home making Rakhi we can do in our home. You can use multicolored bindis. You can use different colored bindis. So almost we have done. You can add some more extra bindis if you want. So I'm looking some little bit plain here, so I'm adding some more bindis to design my Rakhi. This is very simple. You all can do. First you have to try. See, almost I have finished. Now we have to attach a thread. So I am taking satin ribbon. You can take any thin satin ribbon and you can stick with cello tape or masking tape. I am using masking tape here. I am using masking tape. Stick to the satin ribbon and turn this. Almost your Rakhi is ready. See, your beautiful Rakhi is ready. I hope you all like this. Please do step by step and make a beautiful Rakhi. Thank you, children.